Okay, so I'm going to click on Cylinder 3D up here to bring up the menu. And from the quick pick, I'm going to choose Cube 3D. I'm just going to click and drag on my document and then press T and Shift P to make the floor appear. I'm going to constrain my rotation axis to Y and press P for perspective, and now I can rotate around that. I'm going to press Shift F so I can see the topology. Now I'm going to press Make Polymesh 3D up in the tool menu. Look in the subtool menu, and I'm going to rename this to Table. There we go. Now I'm going to go back up to the Cube 3D button. If we click on it, and we're going to look for the Plane 3D. Select that. Now I'm going to make this Polymesh 3D again. We're going to rename this to Cloth. I'm going to press W on the keyboard to get the transformation gizmo. If I drag on this red circle whilst pressing Shift, it will snap to 5-degree angles, incremental angles. Now within this subtool, or within the tool, I'm going to add or append back the table. So if I click on the subtool menu, append, and just click on the table, it'll appear. Now I'm going to move my tablecloth above the table, and I'm going to rotate it, this time sort of roughly 40-45 degrees, and then I'm going to click on this little yellow square to scale my tablecloth up a fair amount like that. Now I'm going to go up to the Dynamics menu, up close to the top left hand corner. I'm just going to click on the menu, and then I'm going to click on the little icon over on the left hand side to make it appear and stick on the left hand side. I'm going to turn off unbrushed. I'm going to turn the simulations up to 500. I am going to press collision volume, but note that I have the tablecloth selected as I'm doing this. So if I press that, now I should be able to press run simulation, and my tablecloth will drop. And I click off of run simulation, and there we go. And we can immediately see that this looks kind of okay, but we have a problem with the intersections. What we can do at this point, I can use Control D to add 2 levels of subdivision. I can press run simulation again, and it'll pop out a little bit more, and it's a bit more accurate. And from this point I could probably add another couple of subdivision levels, and we can maybe fix these little corners here with a cloth hook brush or just a move brush, something like that. And of course there's a lot of different ways you can run the simulation to get more folds, more creases. You can use the liquify, it gives you some interesting results, etc.